So let's talk about supervised learning, a single technique quietly running behind your spam filters, your loan approval, and most AI predictions you already trust. Hi, I'm Rishikesh. This is day 4 of AI Plain and Simple, where we learn one AI concept in plain English. On day 2, we talked about data, and day 3, we have discussed what is a machine learning model. And supervised learning comes into the picture when these two finally meet. Because a model on its own knows nothing and a data on its own teaches nothing. Supervised learning simply means training a model on its example where you already know the right answer. Every input comes with a label attached, and the model's only job is to learn the mapping from the input to its label. Think of it like a student preparing for an exam with the answer key. They attempt a question, check the correct answer, see how far they were, and adjust. Do that across thousands of questions, and the patterns start to stick. That's exactly we call it supervised. The labels are supervisors telling the model the right answer every single time. But here's why it actually works under the hood. The model takes your input features and makes a prediction. Then a loss function measures how far that prediction landed from the true label, that's the error, captured as a single number. Gradient descent, a back propagation, the model nudges its internal weights and slightly in the direction that shrinks that error. Predict, measure, adjust. Repeated across thousands of examples over many full passes we call epochs. Until the weights settle into a configuration that captures the real pattern in your data. That mathematically is learning. And supervised learning splits into two families depend on what you are predicting. If the answer is a category, spam or not spam, cat or dog, that's classification. Powered by algorithms like logistic regression, decision tree, and random forest. If the answer is a number, a house prediction, tomorrow's temperature, that's a regression. Powered by algorithms like linear regression. Same loop under the net, just a different shape of answer. So, to summarize it, supervised learning is teaching a model with labeled data where every example is its correct answer. The model predict measures its error with loss function and adjusts its weights to get closer each time. Predict a category, that's a classification, your spam filter. Predict a number, that's regression, the house price estimate. This is the foundation almost every other technique in machine learning is built on top of. Tomorrow, day 5, we take a answer key away completely and see what a model can learn with no labels at all. I hope that's clear to you all, and I'll see you up ahead in the next one.